To fix the problem where your keyboard doesn't show up in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let me show you the problem. So if we go and open, for example, Google Play Store that allows us to pop open our keyboard, search, start typing, as you can see the keyboard is not popping up, and we can fix that easily by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on additional settings. After that, we'll be able to find the languages and input our keyboard, then manage it, go to Gboard and then scroll down to the physical keyboard. Now you need to activate show on screen keyboard with this switch, and if we go back to our Google Play Store, our keyboard shows up normally. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.